Hey there! Today I'm diving into the world of drone batteries and how nanoparticles are revolutionizing this critical component. If you're in manufacturing, especially in India, this is for you. First, let's talk about the battery manufacturing process. Traditional lithium-ion batteries are great, but they have limitations. By integrating nanoparticles, specifically silicon nanoparticles, we can significantly boost the battery's efficiency. Silicon nanoparticles have a higher capacity to store lithium ions, leading to longer battery life and faster charging times. Other nanoparticles like graphene, carbon nanotubes, and lithium iron phosphate also hold potential for various applications. Now, how do we manufacture these in India? Well, the process begins with sourcing high-purity silicon, which is then processed into nanoparticles. These nanoparticles are mixed with graphite to create a composite material used in the batteries anode. This composite is then assembled into the battery cells, followed by rigorous testing to ensure safety and efficiency. Several Indian institutes and companies are already making strides in this space. The Indian Institute of Science, IISc, and IIT Bombay are conducting groundbreaking research on nanoparticle-enhanced batteries. On the corporate side, companies like Tata Chemicals and Amara Raja Batteries are also exploring advanced battery technologies. But what about the costs? Developing these advanced batteries isn't cheap. The initial R&D can run into millions of rupees, but the long-term benefits, like reduced charging times and longer battery life, can outweigh these costs. Additionally, local manufacturing can help reduce costs over time. Of course, there are challenges. Scaling up production, ensuring consistent quality, and managing supply chains are significant hurdles, but with India's growing tech ecosystem and government incentives, the future looks promising. So if you're looking to revolutionize your drone technology, consider diving into nanoparticle-enhanced batteries. It's an investment in the future, and the sky's the limit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge technologies.